Let me show you the perfect 4 steps to getting clearer skin if you have active acne. Start by cleansing your skin really well 2 times a day. I'm going to use the 1% Salicylic Acid cleanser here. What this does is that it really removes the excess oil and sebum from your face, and it really prepares the skin for the treatment, which is the next step. So I am going to use the 2% Salicylic Acid face serum. Now salicylic acid is a BHA, which is a beta hydroxy acid, and they are designed for daily use, but you may need to apply a few times first to get your skin adjusted to it. The reason why BHA works wonders is because it can penetrate deep into your pores and unclog them, and that's why I even like using it for my acne or any other body acne. The next step is equally important. Now select a moisturizer depending on your skin type. I'm going to use this vitamin E moisturizer, which I feel really satiates the hydration in my skin. Last but not the least, the most important step is applying sunscreen. This is the 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen aqua gel, so it's very lightweight. So make sure that you use this even if you're outside or inside, and this one has a really nice gel-like texture so that it melts into the skin really well without really feeling heavy or without looking whitish. And I hope you can use this system as a skeleton to build your skincare routine.